If you've been trying to reclaim your space without giving up comfort or style, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're diving into smart, space-saving furniture and practical home gadgets designed to make every inch count. From a lift-top coffee table that secretly doubles your storage, yes, hidden storage, to a compact washer that fits into tight corners without the hassle. These aren't just helpful tools, they're total game changers. And that's only the beginning. I've linked every product in the description below so you can check them out as we go. Alright, let's jump in with this mini portable clothes dryer because compact living needs efficient laundry solutions. This lightweight unit sets up quickly and folds flat for easy storage. Adjustable timer allows controlled drying cycles for delicates, gym wear, baby clothes, or small loads. Efficient heating system promotes even airflow distribution. Compact frame fits apartments, dorms, and travel setups effortlessly. This design saves floor space while delivering consistent performance, you know. At $28, this feels practical, space-smart, and budget-friendly. Up next comes this sofa armrest organizer designed to eliminate couch clutter instantly. This 5-pocket layout stores remotes, phones, tablets, magazines, and accessories within reach. Structured fabric drapes securely over armrests without slipping. Reinforced stitching supports daily use confidently. Slim profile maintains clean visual flow in living rooms. This setup reduces misplaced items and improves organization. Compatible with recliners, armchairs, and sofas easily. At $11, this delivers compact convenience with efficient functionality. Right after that, this corner shower caddy transforms unused bathroom corners into organized storage zones. Let's see. This rust-proof stainless steel frame mounts securely without drilling, protecting wall surfaces. Tiered shelves hold shampoo, conditioner, and body wash neatly. 12 integrated hooks support razors and bath accessories efficiently. Open grid design promotes drainage and airflow. Vertical structure maximizes limited shower space effortlessly, you know? At $17, this provides durable construction, clean aesthetics, and moisture-resistant reliability for daily use. Meanwhile, this 3-tier rolling storage cart introduces mobile organization across multiple rooms. This multifunctional unit stores kitchen supplies, office materials, toiletries, or cleaning products efficiently. Built-in ergonomic handle enables smooth movement. Lockable wheels secure placement when stationary. Durable frame maintains stability under daily weight. Slim silhouette fits narrow corners and compact spaces seamlessly. This design improves vertical storage without permanent installation. At $25, this offers versatility, flexibility, and practical space optimization. Let's keep rolling with this 4-in-1 foil and plastic wrap organizer engineered for streamlined kitchen storage. This wall-mounted bamboo system holds foil, plastic wrap, paper towels, and includes an upper spice shelf. Integrated sliding cutters create precise, clean edges consistently. Vertical installation frees drawer capacity instantly. Natural wood finish enhances kitchen aesthetics subtly. Durable construction supports everyday use reliably, you know. Estimated around $45, this delivers organized efficiency with modern functional design. And sliding into closet optimization, this space-saving hanger hook set multiplies vertical capacity instantly. These durable connector hooks attach to standard hangers, creating cascading rows without additional rods. Strong ABS material withstands regular clothing weight confidently. Slim structure maintains airflow while reducing rod congestion. Suitable for shirts, jackets, children's clothing, or seasonal wear. 60-piece pack enables full closet reorganization efficiently. At $11, this provides cost-effective storage expansion with minimal effort. Now let's talk about this mini cup fruit slicer. It simplifies cutting tasks significantly. This compact press-style tool slices strawberries, bananas, grapes, and soft fruits evenly in seconds. Integrated blade grid ensures consistent portions while protecting fingers. Lightweight design allows quick cleaning and storage, ideal for snacks, breakfast bowls, or meal prep routines. Durable plastic body supports repeated use, you know. Estimated around $15, this enhances speed and convenience in compact kitchens. Next, shifting into hygienic upgrades, this UV toothbrush sanitizer holder enhances daily bathroom cleanliness. Let's see. This wall-mounted unit uses ultraviolet light to eliminate bacteria effectively. Integrated holders organize multiple toothbrushes while maintaining separation. Automatic sanitizing cycles operate hands-free for convenience. Compact structure reduces countertop clutter instantly. Ventilated design promotes drying between uses. At $27, this combines sanitation, organization, and space-saving efficiency in a modern, streamlined format for everyday routines. Moving forward, this under-cabinet pots and pans organizer restructures cluttered storage efficiently. This expandable rack includes 9 adjustable dividers for lids, pans, and containers. Sturdy metal frame maintains balance under heavier cookware. Customizable spacing adapts to different kitchen setups. Vertical alignment prevents surface scratches and stacking damage. Compact footprint fits inside cabinets neatly, you know? At $39, this delivers structured storage with durable, adjustable functionality for optimized kitchens. And talking about sink-side control, this Sink Caddy organizer centralizes cleaning essentials effectively. This compact holder stores sponges, brushes, and dish soap in one accessible location. Ventilated base promotes airflow, reducing moisture buildup and odors. Durable material withstands daily water exposure reliably. Streamlined profile keeps countertops uncluttered and minimal. Drainage design simplifies maintenance and cleaning. At $13, this offers affordable organization with practical, moisture-resistant construction for consistent kitchen efficiency. And hey, all these goodies are lined up in the description below. Grab your favorites and start transforming your home today. Continuing into countertop organization, this 360-degree coffee mug holder maximizes vertical storage efficiently. This rotating tree-style rack holds multiple mugs or reusable bottles without overcrowding cabinets. Smooth, spinning base allows quick access from any angle. Balanced metal frame distributes weight evenly to prevent tipping. Compact footprint saves valuable counter space instantly. Open design keeps drinkware visible and organized, you know? Estimated around $25, this delivers structured display with practical functionality for compact kitchens. Moving ahead, this 4-in-1 lift-top table transforms small living spaces intelligently. This adjustable surface lifts smoothly into a workspace or dining platform. Hidden compartment beneath stores essentials discreetly. Built-in drawers provide additional organized storage. Solid frame ensures stability during daily use. Modern finish integrates seamlessly with apartment interiors. Versatile design replaces multiple furniture pieces efficiently. At $160, this offers space-saving innovation with durable construction and practical performance. Heading forward, this expandable silverware organizer enhances kitchen efficiency instantly. Let's see. This adjustable design extends to fit various drawer widths without gaps. Multiple compartments separate forks, spoons, knives, and utensils clearly. Durable plastic construction withstands repeated daily use. Non-slip base stabilizes structure during opening and closing. Streamlined layout improves accessibility and reduces clutter buildup, you know? At $12, this provides cost-effective organization with customizable sizing for different drawer configurations. Up next, this portable carpet and upholstery cleaner handles stains effectively. This compact system sprays cleaning solution, agitates fibers, and extracts moisture with strong suction. Lightweight design supports easy transport between rooms or vehicles. Targeted cleaning removes spills from carpets, couches, and car seats efficiently. Removable tanks simplify refilling and maintenance. At $80, this delivers focused stain removal with reliable suction power for consistent cleaning results. After that, this pull-out spice rack optimizes narrow storage areas seamlessly. This vertical metal frame slides outward smoothly, revealing organized spice bottles instantly. 2-pack configuration expands storage capacity across multiple cabinets. Slim structure fits tight kitchen gaps without modification. Durable construction maintains alignment during repeated use. Open design keeps labels visible for quick selection, you know? At $39, this enhances accessibility while maximizing vertical cabinet space efficiently. Meanwhile, this 360-degree pantry organizer streamlines canned and packaged goods neatly. This 2-tier rotating system supports up to 30 pounds securely. Smooth spinning base provides full visibility from every angle. Included bonus bins create segmented storage for smaller items. Durable frame withstands regular pantry traffic confidently. Vertical stacking improves shelf efficiency. At $34, this delivers structured rotation with balanced weight support for organized food storage. Now switching into fabric care, this fabric shaver restores clothing and upholstery surfaces efficiently. This handheld device trims lint, fuzz, and pilling from sweaters, blankets, and furniture evenly. Sharp internal blades remove buildup without damaging material. Detachable lint container allows quick emptying after use. Compact structure ensures easy storage between sessions. Battery-powered design supports portable operation, you know? At $12, this extends fabric lifespan with precise surface maintenance. Now taking things up a notch, this furniture lifter tool set simplifies moving bulky items. Let's see. This lever mechanism raises furniture slightly to position rolling pads underneath. Durable rollers distribute weight evenly across surfaces. Ergonomic handle improves grip and control during adjustments. Floor-safe design minimizes scratches during relocation. Suitable for couches, beds, cabinets, and appliances. At $65, this provides mechanical advantage with structured load handling for controlled repositioning tasks. Next is this handheld steam cleaner. It delivers high-temperature cleaning performance. This compact unit heats rapidly and emits pressurized steam to loosen grease and grime. Multiple attachments target tiles, sinks, stovetops, and tight corners efficiently. Lightweight frame supports extended handling comfortably. Steam-based method disinfects surfaces without harsh chemicals, you know. Secure locking mechanism enhances safety during operation. Estimated around $70, this offers effective sanitation with versatile surface application. Finally, closing the lineup with this portable washing machine. It supports compact laundry routines effectively. This foldable 11-liter system features 3 washing modes for delicates and small loads. Space-saving structure stores easily between uses. Simple control interface ensures straightforward operation. Efficient water circulation cleans lightweight garments thoroughly. Ideal for apartments, dorms, and travel setups. Estimated around $90, this provides independent washing capability with compact, adaptable design. And that wraps up today's lineup of furniture and home organization essentials that seriously level up your space. From smarter storage solutions to flexible, space-saving furniture, these finds help create a home that feels more open, functional, and put together. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. If this helped, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe for more simple, satisfying Amazon home upgrades. See you in the next one!